All right, ladies and gentlemen, because I loved the 2023 so much, the 2024 GSX-R750, true blue super sport, low clip-on handlebars, high foot pegs. Yeah. Even being an old man, I love this bike. It's very bare bones. You do have a fully adjustable front suspension, fully adjustable rear. Seat height. You know, the funny thing is on this bike, I mean, it's a 750, it's a true blue super sport. The seat height's not really that tall. I forget the specs of it, but I am 5'9", 220 pounds, a 30-inch inseam, and I'm nearly completely flat-footed on this bike at a stop, and that's fantastic. This bike does not have a quick shifter. This bike has very little electronics, and it's one of the reasons I love it. Still got just as much power as I remember. Second gear, 60, very vibrational, and it hasn't even hit power band yet. That's the thing about this bike. It is super sport. So you got to get really good high in the revs to get the real power out of it. I mean, the reason I like this bike so much is because it's got a little bit more torque than the 600. The 600 is great, but you have to really rev it out to get power. It's got so much more power than I can actually use right now. It really sucks. Because I really just want to go and go and go. I love the R750. I mean, you gotta ask yourself, what do you want from a bike though? I mean, on the R750, right? Let's just put this bike. Do I need any of this power on the street? No, I don't. As I can push it because I'm following a Boulevard C50. I'm catching up to him way too fast. Alright, let's just ignore noise right now. $60 miles an hour is at 10,000 RPMs. Which means I still had about 4,000 RPMs to go. Yeah, this bike just wants to run. 70 in second gear, give or take. Still got a lot of rev range to go. So, God almighty. Sixth gear. Let's just cruise. I was debating riding this bike at this demo because there really isn't a stretch where I can really kind of get on it. You know, but I wanted to ride this bike again because I enjoyed this bike in 2023. Well, did they change anything in 2024? From the looks of it, no. I mean, the color is different, but other than that, it seems like the same exact motorcycle. So, yeah. I mean, there's that. I'm at 3,000 RPMs. I can kind of lug the engine in 6th gear. I mean, it's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. But would I want to ride like this all day on this bike? No, I wouldn't. Would I love to have this bike as a track toy? Yeah, I would. I mean, the triangle though is very comfortable. I wish I had all my cameras set up on this bike so I could kind of show everybody what the rider triangle is for me at 5'9". I mean, honestly, you could literally ride this bike and never shift. You could ride this bike and never shift a gear. Faster. I just want people to go faster. I mean, at these speeds, at 82, you know, just kind of cruising, it's quite comfortable. You know, because at this speed you have the wind kind of helping hold you up a little bit more, so you're using less of your legs and less of your core to kind of hold you up in the air. This wheelbase is so short. It's like 54.3 inches. God, this thing screams though. You rev it out, man, just screams. Super nice. God, I'm not even going that fast. In full tuck right now. Everything's in the right spot. Everything's comfortable. It's vibrational. Very vibrational in the back seat. I mean, I can feel it vibrating back on the back in the tail. So that's something. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. 2024 GSX-R750. It's just as fun as I remember. Wow. So yeah. Again, it's probably for 13 grand. it's still probably the best, you know, super sport class bike you can buy for the money, honestly. I'd rather have this than a, you know, 636 or 600 of any model, honestly. So, all right, everybody. Hope you enjoyed it. No, I did. Stay safe, and as always, enjoy the ride.